Good morning. It's Wendy from Windway Creations. Hope everyone's feeling well this morning. Beautiful, beautiful sunshiny Sunday today here in Queensland. Today I am going to be doing a folio / booklet junk journal insert from a file folder. This is inspired. I was inspired by, and I apologise, I cannot remember her name, but she has the Etsy YouTube called TheBookVandalShop. I want to say Anna, but I don't think that's right. Or it could be Julie, but I do apologise. We'll find it out and I will put it in the description. So for this project, you need 3 manila folders cut down to 9 inches tall by 7 inches across. And it's pretty easy, she says. It's taken me ages to get my head around it. So this is my prototype. So I hope you can see this all glued together. This first file folder is your back. That's your base, right? You take your second one and that's glued on here, and that makes a big pocket here on the back that you can put a big journal writing card on. It also has, I hope this is all in shot here, probably isn't, a side tuck, and it has the pockets here because I didn't do my pockets properly on my template, but it is only my template. Same on this side. On the corresponding side, big pocket yet again, another page, another side tuck, and that will so go into your junk journal like that, and you just sew it in it, and you can cut it too. This is from here to here is 7 inches across, so 9 to 9. So cut it to fit your junk journal, adapt it. Didn't do that very well. They should have been matching. Like I said, must have been half asleep when I was doing this one. So that's what we're going to do. That's what I'm going to do today. So I'll just put that to one side. Okay, so I have cut out all my pieces, and I am just now going to what have I done here? I haven't put them together. Okay, why didn't I put them together? Okay, so you can see the back piece goes down. The right side has notches. I have cut this one just a little bit shorter than the 7 inches. I think I just measure it. What did I cut it down to? Cut it down to 6.5. So that goes on the back, and that makes your big back pocket. Open it up. You've got your pockets here. The pockets will go on here, and then your side tuck goes here. And the other thing I did was I cut the edge here so it didn't interfere with the centre fold. So I cut that down to 6 8/8. And then the same for the other side. You've got I cut that down the same so that makes your big pocket. You sew it. You can sew it. I don't sew. I'm not a sewer. I don't like the sewing part of it. So you glue there, down there, and along the bottom on both those back pages. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to glue them in place. Just using my art glitter glue. Just going to give it a fairly good amount of glue. Now, I'm not going to decorate mine because I'm just making these up ready to go in some junk journals that I'm going to be making. So just be mindful of your line here, your centre, your closing line, so it doesn't get in the way. Line it up, and Bob's your uncle. We have now done that side. Now we'll do this side. Once you get it worked out in your mind, it's so easy. My first one, I just mucked up and I ended up using 4 file folders to get it right. And I just couldn't understand what I had done wrong. Just couldn't understand it. So once again, being mindful of probably off screen here, being mindful of that centre. Right. Anyway, got it sorted. This lady at the Book Vandal, she was decorating hers with Edith Holding pages, and oh, beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to put the pockets on next. With this top one, don't glue the bottom line. Just being mindful of your centre, your lines again, your centre creases so they don't interfere with it. Just glue down there, and of course this one you would glue the bottom. Oops, come on, quick before the glue sets. And with this side, just match your pockets up to this side. Once again, just do the sides only on this top one. That way you can put longer cards or tags in, or whatever it is that you're going to decorate your book up with. Being mindful of these centre lines on both sides. So I'm just going to make a whole stack of these, and I think they'll be great to decorate up your inside of your journals. Come over. Okay. Now I'm going to put my side tuck on. Once again, being mindful of that centre fold. You don't want to interfere with the fold. I mean, that's optional, putting this on. This trim, I had one of these that I picked up off eBay. Just a little round one, nothing fancy. I have got another one somewhere, but I've got no idea where it is. So that's that side done, and we've just got to put the side tuck on here. So it's that easy. Once you get your head around it, go and watch the Book Vandal Shop as she does it. Like I will put the link in my description so you can go and watch her. And there you go. So, like you would decorate, put something. Let me see if I can find my. This is the one I mucked up. I started doing it. Ended up using 4. So this is the back pocket, right? Got a nice big back pocket there, and I just put page from Edith Holden, put pages on the front there, and my side tuck was there. And for the side tuck, you actually have to cut a little bit of extra cardstock. You can cut your envelopes out of the cut-off from when you cut this down from the whatever it is down to 9 inches. There's just enough, so don't throw any of it out. You can use all your cut-offs to make little tags, your envelopes, but you do need a bit of extra to make your side tucks. And like with this one, I would cover this, put something pretty on that, and then I would cover like probably writing or something, and decorate that side. Decorate there. I probably decorate the bottom pocket. But yeah, you've got 1 tuck spot, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But no, this is the one that I really mucked up. I don't know what I did wrong. Yeah, no, I have. But 1, 2, 3, and I'd used an extra file folder to do these, which I put on the wrong, to do the side tucks, which I made far too wide. But anyway, that's an idea just on how to decorate it. But you can use any of your digitals that you've got to decorate it. Put inside a journal that you're working on. I've got a couple of journals I want to work on. I want to make a peacock one. I've got a Victoria design one, roses and lace, that I want to make. It's so pretty. I want to do an Edith Holden one, a whole journal. So yes, I've got a few in the pipeline. Plus, I still have to finish doing the rest of the super simple projects from Pink Monarch Prints, Anna at Pink Monarch Prints, which I haven't forgotten, and I have printed them all out. I've just got to get the videos done. Anyway, that's it for me. So this is called a Folio booklet junk journal insert from from 3 file folders by the lady at the BookVandalShop, whose name I will put in the description. Leave a comment, and if you feel so inclined, press the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate that. And you can contact me on these spaces. I do have a website, I'm on Facebook, and I have an email. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.